Here's how to clear browsing data on POCO X7 Pro. Now, of course, this depends on the browser that you use. I'm gonna show you two examples, the MI browser as well as Google Chrome browser. And I'm gonna start with the MI browser. In order to clear browsing data on this app, we need to tap on this person icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on the settings icon here. Then we need to scroll down until we find clear data option. And then we can clear cache files, we can clear saved passwords, and so on and so forth, everything individually. You can also clear everything at once by pressing this clear all button. If you use Chrome browser instead, then you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then here you have the option delete browsing data. Then you can choose the period that will be removed. So let's say we can choose only last 7 days, or if you want to, you can select all time. Then you can also tap on more options in order to find detailed options that allow you to clear even more browsing data. And over here we have the time range as well, so keep that in mind. And then just confirm by pressing the delete data button. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!